FOMO is already kicking in within the cryptocurrency markets, and the last thing that you want to be doing is being that last bag holder, being the last one to buy, buying right at the top, and unfortunately getting dumped on by the smart money and the people that were patient enough to accumulate during the bearish time. So in this video, we're going to talk about 5 cryptocurrencies I'm effectively bullish on, and that could maybe 10x our money if we get lucky in the upcoming months and years with cryptocurrency. So at the moment, we have just tapped into the extreme greed on the relative, not the RSI, but the overall fear and greed index. We're looking a bit greedy. The last month has been very, very euphoric. The last year, insanely euphoric. We did have a little bit of time in that extreme fear zone, but we never actually touched down into extreme fear, which is a very interesting thing, I think. So anyway, let's jump straight into it, guys. If you're new here and you like this sort of thing, please do subscribe, like, comment. It really, really, really does help. And let's jump straight into it. First coin will be Optimism. I'm bullish on Optimism, and I think with a market capital of 2.1 billion and huge fundamentals with the project, because overall it's helping Ethereum scale, and it says OP mainnet is a low cost and lightning fast Ethereum L2 blockchain powered by Optimism, but it's very, very interoperable, and they have a super chain here, unlike many other cryptocurrencies. So in my opinion, this is super bullish, and I think what we're seeing for Optimism, when we look at all of the data here, it's only been up. It's only been positive. We've not even seen a harsh correction here, and that's because I personally believe that Optimism has not yet had a chance to thrive in a bear run into a bull run, so it's not yet had a chance to correct. This is just all the natural buying pressure and the holders, because people have belief and faith in the project that it's going to do more. We've not hit the top. There's not been a sell-off yet because people are waiting for that top still. So I think that could very much be somewhere around a 10 to 20 billion dollar market capitalization for this particular project right here. So feeling bullish. I mean, the overall markets are picking up nicely. It's a good time to potentially be looking for some altcoin picks, but we could still be due a bit of a correction here in the markets. Now, just before we do press on with coin number 2, so coin 1 is Optimism on this video. Remember, we are only at a $1.5 trillion market capital right now. So when you look at those figures and we speculate towards the next crypto bull run, we're looking at a 6 trillion to a 10 trillion valuation. So naturally, the coins that have got a good percentage of dominance, like altcoin dominance, shall we say, and hold their dominances because they've got good fundamentals and utility, we'll naturally see them do 3, 4, 5x, and then all the FOMO money on top of that as well, guys. So coin number 2 is going to be HBAR, Hedera. This has so much fundamental value and utility, $2.4 billion market capital at the moment. I think HBAR is within that sort of area where, it's ranked 31, it's got a $2.4 billion market cap already. I think a 10x to 25 billion could actually potentially happen. 50 billion could even happen in the next bull run by the end of 2025 or something like that. So really, really solid performance here for HBAR. And from the bottom down at 900 million, it's already done the 2.5x. But from a price point of view, seeing 0.072, I honestly think 50 cents to $1 can also happen at some point. Absolutely. I don't know when exactly, but HBAR Hedera certainly on the list. 33.5 billion tokens are circulating. That's 67.15% of that total supply, which also looks pretty good as well. And I mean, look at this stablecoin studio for enterprises, institutions, fintech. Really, really, you got to feel bullish on this. And you can see Changelly did a price prediction for 2030, and they also think $1 plus on the maximum high is a possibility for this particular token right here. So there is coin number 2. Coin number 3 is going to come in with Bitcoin ETF. Now, we obviously have Bitcoin ETFs all around the corner. We've got many to be approved for next year. So naturally, I am feeling bullish on this because Bitcoin's booming. Bitcoin ETFs are very much real. This ecosystem is actually rewarding holders as Bitcoin ETFs are approved. So I must say, this is in a pre-sale, it's in an ICO, so it's not yet live. It will get soon deployed on exchanges like centralized and decentralized ones most likely, and that could create an influx of volume, liquidity, and help the price surge. Now, the price of the token, one Bitcoin ETF is 0.0066, but it launches at a $4.96 million market capital. So that is the hard cap target here. You can see the price will go up in 2 days, 10 hours, or when they raised $3.86 million. But overall, you're speculating that this token will do a 10x by the time it launches. $5 million market capital to 50 million is a 10x, 5 million to 500 million is a 100x on this token. So that is very much a possibility for this one. Remember, it's not financial advice. Do not risk more than you can afford to lose at all. But this is the overall website right here. So I do think it looks quite cool. They do have staking on the side where you can enjoy 79% per annum right there, which is pretty good. 332 million tokens are staked in at the moment. And here is their Twitter with 4,124 followers. They're constantly updating the community with Bitcoin ETF related news. So I thought I'd just do a quick shout out on that one. I think it could do well in 2024, being a low market cap project. Quick update, the trades are looking pretty good over here. Got $2,000 up on Pendle, Long, Hi-Fi, we are up $500. We are now seeing OGN and Say come down a little bit, but it's not a problem. I'm going to hodl onto those ones. Diamond Hands it. And also Flow over here sitting at $500. So we're up a little bit here on the day. We're looking pretty good here. We're trying to target a 200,000 portfolio. We do have more money, so I think we're pretty much there, or getting very, very close to it. So if you want to follow this trading journey, do subscribe as well. And if you actually want to unlock the signals that are making us money here, as we can see, do become a patron down below. These are the signals within the Discord that we're using. These ones are helping me also use scalp the markets, place longs and shorts, as we can see right here, but of course some are also my own. So if you want to become a patron, access the VIP Discord, that link is down below. Become my patron. Crypto Legend will give you 500 plus signals per month, and join MEXC as well if you're looking to take advantage of that upcoming crypto volatility. Good rewards are waiting for you here. You might get some good sign up bonuses and stuff when you do sign up using my link down below for MEXC. Tiny fees, no KYC, you get all that good stuff. Anyway, coin number 4 is going to be Say, enabling mass adoption of digital assets. Very, very bullish on this ecosystem. Comparing it to Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, they've got front-running bot prevention, which is actually, that's huge. I can see really good transaction finality, transactional throughput. It's also proof of stake as well. So this one makes me bullish, Say, because it's already partnered with some huge VCs, massive exchanges, but it's not yet had the chance to thrive in a crypto bull run, meaning it's not hit a bull run euphoric top yet. We can see the price of this token has gone from basically 12 cents up to a high of 31, so it's done a 3x already, and market cap would also suggest that. But I think we're nowhere near the top. A $500 million MC, 10x equals 5 billion, 100x equals 50 billion. So I think a $5 billion market capital is kind of realistic for this particular token right here, and we could actually see it happen, right? It is of course a possibility. Moving on to the next one will be, I mean, come on guys, you gotta have one, at least one. Pepe the Frog, yeah? So we've got lots of zeros in the price tag, 0.0000001454. Now I just think, of course, meme coins are crazy, they're volatile. Look at Tamadoge, look at Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. There's plenty more to be looking at, but they're all about community. They're all about hype, volatility. And I think with a $600 million market capitalization, 10x takes it to 6 billion, where it was before in May 2023 was, where was it? If we can get that top, it was like 2 billion, right? To 1.65 billion. So I think it does have the potential to return to that top. But remember, that top was just an alt season within a bear market environment. So it could still do some crazy, crazy things out there, guys. So Pepe could do well based off of a few tweets, a few whales, a few ETH whales, massive influencers out there. If they're talking about it, once the price does creep up, the degens will FOMO in once again. So there's 5 coins that might potentially make us some money in the crypto bull run that is coming up soon. I really would hope to see it. If you guys like the video, subscribe, please do hit that subscribe button. We're so close to $25,000. Get yourself in the Jacob Crypto Clan Discord as well, where I've got all the trading signals, news, insights, the next coins that are launching. And yeah, but really been a good one, a good topic here. I like talking about these sort of things because it means talking about more opportunities for you guys to have a look at. And yeah, I mean, the markets are just really picking up right now. So see you soon. Join us on this journey. You never know what might happen. Sometimes we drop some news and information that really helps people make money. But the markets will always remain unpredictable. Anyways, this was not financial advice. See you soon. Take care and stay crypto safe. Peace.